95 degrees at all times. Because, you know, normally if it was in nature, they'd be sitting under mama. Mama would be keeping them warm. And then about every week, you can decrease the temperature about 5 degrees as they get older to about room temperature, and until once they grow, all get their feathers in like this. So chickens can't regulate their body temperature until they have all their feathers. So it's really important.